Hey, kitchen wizards! Today we're venturing into the world of quick and convenient cooking with a quest to find the best microwave ovens. These countertop marvels promise to make your kitchen routine a breeze. Join us as we heat up the discussion, exploring the top contenders featuring advanced features, spacious interiors, and sleek designs. Whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting, or cooking from scratch, these microwaves are up for the task. Let's microwave your way to culinary excellence with the perfect oven! Number 1. Toshiba M131 5 CBS Countertop Microwave Oven. This countertop microwave oven combines innovation and efficiency in a sleek design. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity and a 12.4-inch removable turntable, it's spacious enough for versatile cooking needs. Equipped with a smart humidity sensor, this microwave ensures precise cooking by adjusting time and power levels based on the food's moisture content. The 12 auto menus offer convenient pre-programmed settings for various dishes, simplifying the cooking process. Its mute function allows for silent operation, and the eco mode optimizes energy consumption when the microwave is not in use. Whether reheating leftovers or cooking fresh vegetables, this Toshiba microwave delivers reliable performance. The package includes a manual and turntable, making it a user-friendly addition to any countertop. Elevate your cooking convenience with the Toshiba M131 5 CBS microwave oven. Why we love it! Smart cooking, humidity sensor adjusts cooking settings. Versatile presets, 12 auto menus for convenient one-touch cooking. Efficient and quiet, eco mode optimizes energy use. Sleek design, black stainless steel finish adds a modern touch. Number 2. Toshiba 7-in-1 1000W Countertop Microwave Oven. The Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave Oven redefines versatility with its impressive features. With a 1.0 cubic feet capacity and a sleek stainless steel design, it seamlessly combines air frying, inverter technology, and convection cooking in one appliance. This 1,000-watt powerhouse offers a variety of cooking options, including auto-cook, timer, defrost, and programmable settings. The control panel lock ensures safety, preventing unintended use. Equipped with a comprehensive set of components, including an air fry basket, glass turntable, high wire rack, air fry tray, and low wire rack, it caters to various cooking needs. Whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying, this microwave oven provides efficient and consistent results. Designed for residential use and countertop installation, its multi-functionality makes it an ideal choice for modern kitchens. Elevate your cooking experience with this microwave oven. Why we love it! Versatile 7-in-1 functionality combines air fryer and convection. Convenient features, auto-cook, timer, defrost. Safety, control panel lock. Comprehensive accessories, includes air fry basket, turntable. Number 3. Panasonic 4-in-1 1000W Microwave Oven. The Panasonic 4-in-1 Microwave Oven is a culinary powerhouse, combining air frying, convection baking, broiling, and inverter microwave technology in one sleek stainless steel design. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, it offers ample space for versatile cooking. Featuring Genius Sensor Cooking, this microwave automatically adjusts power levels and cooking time for optimal results. The inclusion of an air fryer function provides a healthier alternative for crispy delights. Convection Bake expands the oven's capabilities, allowing you to bake and roast with precision. Designed for countertop installation, this 1,000-watt microwave caters to meat enthusiasts with its recommended use. Included components like the turntable, wire rack, enamel tray, air fry basket, and quick recipe guide add convenience to your culinary endeavors. Elevate your cooking experience with the Panasonic 4-in-1 Microwave Oven, offering innovation and efficiency in one appliance. Why we love it! Versatile cooking, 4-in-1 functionality including air fryer. Genius Sensor Cooking, automatically adjusts power levels. Quick broiling, flash express broiler for fast and even broiling. Convenient accessories, includes turntable, wire rack, enamel tray. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER M720 CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. The BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 digital microwave oven is a compact and efficient addition to your kitchen. With a 0.7 cubic feet capacity, it's ideal for residential use, fitting perfectly on countertops. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, this microwave boasts a turntable and a push-button door for easy operation. The safety lock ensures secure usage, preventing accidental opening, making it suitable for households with children. 2 removable legs add flexibility to its placement options. With 700 watts of power, it delivers quick and even heating for a variety of culinary needs. The inclusion of a roller ring facilitates the smooth rotation of the turntable, enhancing cooking efficiency. Designed for ease of use and safety, this BLACK+DECKER microwave oven combines functionality and style in a compact form. Whether reheating leftovers or preparing quick meals, it offers convenience for everyday cooking tasks in a residential setting. Why we love it. Compact design, perfect for countertops with a 0.7 cubic feet capacity. Safety features. Child safety lock ensures secure usage. Efficient cooking, 700 watts for quick and even heating. Convenient operation, turntable, push-button door, and removable legs. Number 5. Panasonic NNSU 696S Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NNSU 696S Microwave Oven is a reliable and stylish addition to your kitchen. With a spacious 1.3 cubic feet capacity, this countertop appliance in stainless steel silver enhances your cooking convenience. Boasting 1,100 watts of power, it ensures efficient and quick cooking for various culinary tasks. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. Equipped with a safety lock feature, this microwave ensures secure operation, particularly beneficial for households with children. It is recommended for residential use, making it perfect for reheating leftovers, defrosting, or preparing quick meals. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable microwave for daily tasks, this Panasonic model combines style, safety, and efficiency to enhance your kitchen experience. Why we love it. Spacious capacity, 1.3 cubic feet for versatile cooking needs. High power, 1,100 watts for efficient and quick cooking. Stylish design, sleek stainless steel silver exterior adds a modern touch. Safety assurance, equipped with a safety lock for secure operation. Number 6. Commercial Chef 0.9 QFT Microwave. The Commercial Chef 0.9 QFT Microwave brings efficiency and convenience to your kitchen. With 10 power levels and a powerful 900-watt output, this countertop appliance provides versatile cooking options. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, it adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. The digital controls, including a timer and quick-touch menu, enhance user-friendly operation, ensuring precise cooking for various dishes. Equipped with a child lock, this microwave provides added safety in households with children, preventing unintended use. The 0.9 cubic feet capacity makes it suitable for residential use, offering ample space for reheating leftovers, defrosting, and quick meal preparations. The all-inclusive components ensure a hassle-free experience, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of efficient and quick cooking with the Commercial Chef microwave. Why we love it! Versatile cooking, 10 power levels and 900 watts. User-friendly controls, digital controls, timer, and quick-touch menu. Safety feature, child lock for added safety in households with children. Stylish design, sleek stainless steel exterior adds a modern touch. Thanks for tuning in to discover the top-notch microwave ovens. If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen game, don't miss out on our comprehensive guide to the best microwave ovens on the market. From sleek designs to cutting-edge features, we've covered it all. Click the link in the description to make an informed choice that suits your needs. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on our latest kitchen gadget reviews and cooking hacks. Happy cooking and see you in the next video!